Notice install files in your Steam folders during game installations. These are temporary files used during the installation process. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Steam installation data files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling install files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. An install file is a temporary data file created by the Steam game client during the download and installation process of a game or application. Users typically encounter this file when an installation is paused, interrupted, or corrupted. It serves as a placeholder, containing partially downloaded data that Steam will resume from. This file is a proprietary binary container. Valve designed it this way to manage large game asset downloads efficiently. It allows for resumable downloads by chunking the data, ensuring that if the connection is lost, the entire download does not have to restart, saving user bandwidth and time. For direct reading of install content, the best choice is Steam developed by Valve. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows relies on temp files briefly, but they generally become unnecessary afterward. We are checking the installed software landscape. Right-click your install file and choose Open With. Test Steam first if installed. If not, select another application. Often, a lesser-known tool works perfectly. When your install file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. If the install file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, letting Steam handle files. Install files require no direct user interaction. Steam manages them automatically during installations, cleaning up after successful completion. If you see persistent install files, Steam may have an interrupted installation that needs completion. Open Steam, navigate to Library, and resume the affected game's installation to clean up. Next, troubleshooting stuck installations. For installations that appear stuck or fail repeatedly, verify game files through right-clicking the game in Library, then Properties, then Local Files, then verify integrity. This rebuilds installation state from scratch, resolving issues with corrupt install files. Steam redownloads only damaged content, not the entire game. Finally, manual cleanup. If Steam itself is corrupted, you may need to manually clean install files. Close Steam completely, then navigate to Steam App Splosh downloading folder and delete install files, only when no Steam process is running. Restart Steam and let it rebuild installation state. This is rarely needed but useful for severely stuck installations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.